Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is string basics in Julia programming language. Okay, strings are finite sequence of characters. It contains either literal constants, some variables, some kind of symbols, etc. And the length of the string can be changed using the user's choice. And the string literals are delimited by double quotes or triple double quotes. Let me show you some of the examples. Here I am going to declare a string. Within the double quotes I am going to type the string hi friends. Okay, this is my string. And in Julia we can also extract each characters from the string using their index. Okay, and the important thing is that in Julia the index of the string start from 1, not from 0. Okay, now I am going to extract the character age. Age is at the index 1. Okay, st of 1. Okay, st of 1, the answer is age. St of 2, the answer is a. St of 3, the answer is I. Okay, using the index we can extract each characters of the string. Okay, and next thing is that if you want to figure out the length of the string, then use the function end of. Okay, let me show you. End of. Yeah, the length of the string, it will give you the answer 11. That means the string st contains 11 characters including the space also. Okay, and if you want to get the last character of the string, then use the keyword end. Okay, the answer is s. Here you can see the s is the last character of the string. Okay, so using the end keyword you can get the last character of the string. Okay, and the next important thing is that if you are trying to access the character at the index less than 1 and also greater than end, it will give you an error. Okay, let me show you the example. Now I am going to try to access the character less than 1. It will show you the error. Next I am going to try to access the character at the index greater than end. Okay, this will also give you an error. Okay, and in Julia you can also extract the substring of the string using the range of index. Okay, let me show you. And st of 1, yeah, the output is high. It will give you the characters from starting from the index 1 to index 3. Here you can see age is at index 1, a is at index 2, I is at index 3. Here the output is high. This is the substring of the string st. Okay, and next I am going to show you something different. st of 2. st of 2. Okay, here you can see st of 2, that it this is the st of 2, it will give the character at index 2. Okay, here I am using the range of index st of 2 full colon 2. It will also give you the answer A. Both answer are A, but they are not same, because st of 2 it will give you only one character. But using the range of index, it will give you the substring. Let me show you the type of STO2. Okay, type of STO2 is char, and type of STO2 full colon 2 is string. This is the difference. Okay, and these are not same. This will give you character, but this is the substring. Okay, and this all about string in Julia programming language. Hope you get about the string. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.